In this video, I am going to show you how to make henna leaf tea. Hi everyone, welcome to Premium Langa. I get some fresh leaves and dry them. Before dry, wash these and then spread in a suitable shaded place. After 3 days, it becomes very crispy like this. To make tea, put a pinch of leaf in a glass, pour warm water over it and steep for 10 minutes. You can use normal water also. In warm water, it takes 10 minutes, but for normal water, we wait for 1 hour to get perfect tea. It is good for reduce heat option from our body.
Cool.
Thank you for watching.